Inaalay ang banal na misang ito bilang pasasalamat natin sa dating Pangulo ng Pilipinas, ang ina ng demokrasya, Corazon C. Aquino, sa pagdiriwang ng kanyang 77 taong kaarawan. Kapag naririnig natin ang mga salitang EDSA Revolution, non-violence, color yellow, democracy, prayer, isang tao ang pumapasok sa ating isipan na kilalang-kilala nating lahat. Ang pangalang Cory Aquino. Sapagkat ang mga iyon ay karugtong ng kanyang pangalan at ng kanyang buhay. Ngayon pong araw na ito, hindi lamang dito sa Las Vegas, kundi sa buong mundo, ay iniaalay ang banal na misa bilang pagunita sa alaala ng dating Pangulo ng Pilipinas, ang dating Pangulong Corazon Cuauhtémoc Aquino, sa pagdiriwang ng kanyang 77 kaarawan. Ang ating pong titira ng ating mga petsa, ngayon po ay January 24, pero ang kaarawan po ng ating dating Pangulo ay bukas, January 25. Pero sa Pilipinas, ngayon po ay January 25 na. Kaya tayo pong lahat ay naririto to wish our former President ng kanya sa araw, ng kanyang kaarawan, at ialay ang banal na misang ito para sa kanya. Si Cory, ang ina ng demokrasya. At hindi lamang po yun, sabi nga sa kanya ng Time Magazine, because of her prayerfulness and her devotion, Cory is named the Saint of Democracy.
The death of former President Cory Aquino has left us, 92 million Filipinos around the world today, a precious inheritance, a great legacy of freedom and democracy that the Philippines came to share with those people suffering oppression all around the world. Cory's bloodless People Power Revolution of 1986 was the first wave of velvet revolution that liberated countless millions of oppressed people from Manila to Seoul, Johannesburg, Prague, Warsaw, and Moscow. Indeed, Cory Aquino's People Power Revolution is among the proudest moments in our country's history and a distinctive contribution of the Filipinos to the world in the struggle for freedom and democracy around the globe. To relive and celebrate this historic event, you are all invited to the People Power Festival at 2 p.m. on Sunday, February 28, 2 p.m. Sunday, February 28, at the beautiful, historic 5th Street School Auditorium on Vegas and Clark in downtown Las Vegas.